Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are keeping it simple and direct. I will show you how to easily insert and customize a page border in your Microsoft Word document in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Once you have your document ready, look up at the top ribbon and click on the Design tab. Next, look all the way to the far right of the ribbon. You will see an option called Page Borders. Go ahead and click on it. A new window called Borders and Shading will pop up. On the left side, under the Settings section, click on Box. Now it is time to customize. In the middle section, you can scroll through the drop-down menu to choose the line style you want. Just below that, you can change the color and adjust the width to make the border thicker or thinner. If you want something a bit more creative, look down at the Art drop-down menu. Here, you can select from various fun and artistic designs. Once you are happy with your settings, simply click OK at the bottom right, and there you have it, a perfectly formatted page border applied to your document. If this quick tip was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.